Okay, in our beds, first we started off and we turned over our beds a little bit. We used a rock fork, and then we added some of this silva mulch, which is ground up aspen, partially composted. Then we worked it into the soil, and then we added some fish emulsion and seaweed extract in pretty high concentration, about 3 times more than you'd usually add. But we're going to water this down really good. And then on top of that, we added some cottonseed meal, which is really good for the soil, adds a little bit extra nitrogen, and then a little bone meal, and then we're dusting it with dry molasses. And we're going to finish up with blood meal to add a good concentration of nitrogen to get this really working, and so we're ready to plant plants in here in a few weeks or so. The last thing we're going to do is add blood meal, and this adds a lot of nitrogen to the soil, but it also acts to deter rodents, because once we put the molasses on, it may attract mice. So this has a dual purpose, and we will sprinkle it liberally over the beds. We're going to work that in, moisten it, and let it set. It'll be ready for planting.